Okay, dear students, you said different reasons. In that, we can understand many problems, and we are moving to the textbook, and we will discuss your problems in our next video. Means what problems you said. According to that, we will have some small discussion on that in next video. So let us see that one. We can make into three groups. The major or we can make the problems of India what we faced, that we can make into three major groups. What is the first problem? It is the problem with the refugees. Okay, the problem with refugees, because the refugees they came from where? From Pakistan to India and India to Pakistan, like that. Near about 15 million people, or in textbook it is given 8 million, but more than that, or near about we can say that one it was near about 15 million people was face this refugee problem, like that. We are understanding, but in textbook it is given very less only, not less. One estimate they given like that. That is the first problem what we face. Then next problem what we face, that is the, we can see here the integration of princely states. So India, when India become independent, we have seen in the map that there was two types of states. One is provincial states, states that was under the control of British people, that area was under the control of British people, and another group that was the princely states that was under the control of the kings. Different kings in different area, different kings was ruling. So we had two types of states in India. One is princely states as well as provincial states. So the reorganization or integration of these provincial states, it was very easy, because directly it was under the control of British. So it very easily our leaders was able to integrate these areas into different in the name of states, or that is in the form of linguistic states we made. And Tamil Nadu, it was known as Madras state on that time. Okay, then Karnataka area, it was known as Mysore state, like that. And major problem what we face, integration of princely states, that we can see here in textbook, that there was near about 500 or almost 500 princely states was that was controlled by Maharajas or Nawabs. So that was the second problem what we face. Then if we are looking again, there was many political problems also. Not only that one, how to reorganize the states, how to make the states, and in the name of language, that later it came. So many debates and discussions happened there. The next one, the social problems of India. So we can make into social problems of India, that is in the name of low caste and high caste. So like that, many social groups was there, and many what we can say, small means India was divided in the name of different things. One is religion, then second one is language, then third one is food, then we can see dressing style, like that. Many things was different when we are looking to India. Still this is the condition. So we can see that one in textbook, like that. There was different communities in the name of religion, that is Hindu majority Hindu community, and Indians who practice other faith, that was under the on the base of religion. Then citizens of this land spoke many different languages. In the name of language, we have seen that one. Then kind of dress, kind of food what they are having, practice different profession also. So Indian community, or still India is divided into many small fractions. Or if we are considering that one, we can see thousands of groups in India in the name of the religion or language itself. We can see, if you are going to any state, we can see I will say example of Kerala. The people, those who are speaking Malayalam in Thiruvananthapuram side, that is entirely different, and those who are speaking Malayalam in Ernakulam side, that is different. In Ernakulam district itself, if we are looking to the people, those who are living in the coastal area, or having the that fishing community people, their Malayalam is entirely different, and the people those who are living in the city, their Malayalam is different, and those who are having the connection or those who are living near to this Kottayam district area, Idukki district area, their language is Malayalam is different. So basically one Malayalam, but the speaking style or maybe the tone or the slang of the Malayalam is different. Like that, if you are looking to Tamil Nadu also, we can see different slangs or written language and spoken language differences. That is one side, as well as the slang according to the area, it is different. So we can see many divisions in India. Then we can see again we can say economical problems. That was the another major problem what we face, economical problems of India, because refugees and princely states integration and this social divisions of the community. Because of that one itself, otherwise also we are facing we used to face or still we are facing many economical problems. First of all, our agriculture area. What is the condition of our agriculture area? Still we are depending on monsoon rains. Still we are depending on monsoon rains. And when we studied geography lesson, agriculture lesson, we have seen in India 10 acres of land or 20 acres of land means it is the means rich people only having that much of land. And when we are compared that one to America, we have seen for them 200 acres of land or 400 acres of land, that is quite natural. That is the minimum with them. Minimum means the people those who are having minimum land is that is 150 acres in America, and here in India maximum it is 10 acres and 20 acres. In some area it is different, that we have discussed on that day. Some areas parts of Maharashtra or Rajasthan where there is scarcity of water, or like that area we can see, or those who are keeping still the land as a property of joint family, in that area we can see like that 150 acres for one family, but it is a property of a joint family, big family. It may be members may be 200 or 300 members having the ownership on that particular land. Like that situation we can see in some states where this division of the land according to generation not promoting in that area only. Other areas we can see the land is father's land, it is dividing and giving to children when they are becoming adult and they are starting their own agriculture or some other things in that area. So in India 10 acres, that is very big, rich people's land property, and in America 150 means the minimum the property the people used to have. They used to have 1000 acres and hectares of land like that. Okay, so that is the one situation. Then we are still depending on monsoon rain, irrigation and other things still not developed properly. Then and think about the agriculture people, 75% of Indians or 80% of the Indians still directly depend on agriculture. That's why what is happening, if the monsoon rain is not proper, the service sector of that area, transporting people or the carpenters, weavers or the like that, every people will get problem because they won't get their raw material or they won't get their payment on time. Because of this, farmers they don't have proper crops. Then the factories nearby that area, for example cotton or jute or sugarcane, that factories also will affect because there won't be enough raw material for them. And when we are thinking thought about the industrial location, we have seen transportation facility like that, many things we skilled laborers, then the power supply, like that many things we discuss. And if you are looking to the industrial situation of India, we can see industries, it is normally it is there near to the cities where the many people they are living. That we have seen in Bhopal gas tragedy in 7th standard. Okay, so that is the economical problems what we are facing here in India. Then next again about the healthcare and education. If the parents or the farmers don't have enough financial setup, how they will send their children to school, that is the another things what we can see. So the poverty, it is leading to the decreasing of the productivity, and the decreasing of the productivity again leading the society to poverty. So that cycle will come like this. Here it is poverty, that's why crop becoming crop failure, or the agricultural area there won't be any proper workers, so again they are getting poor. Then again because of that one, agriculture is moving down, then like that it is going, that cycle will go in the same way. Or if you have studied patterns in maths, like that square, circle, like that you studied in smaller classes, one triangle, then square, then triangle, then square, like that. If you are making like this triangle is the poverty, and this one is the agricultural area. So both will be in the under the line, because this is the basic line for that. If you are getting good, people are good and having the enough food and other things, or half of the people they are standing, if they are standing in the up of the line, what will happen? This agriculture area also we can develop very faster. And Indian situation what it is, and many people we are under the poverty line. So the agriculture area also we are facing that same problem. That's why again it is increasing poverty. Again agricultural area we are moving down. This is the cycle what we are facing. So we face the problems of social problems, refugee problems, then integration of princely states problem, then the social division problem, economical problem, like that many problems we discussed now. And next paragraph we can see that one, that unity and development. If the unity and the society want to develop, means there should have the division, or this development should go as well as unity should go in hand. So the if the divisions between different sections of India were not healed, they could result in violent and costly conflict. So if we are having we don't have unity in the society, what will happen? We can't imagine development properly. Or if there is no development, and we can't develop our unity also. So unity and development should go hand in hand. If you are thinking about caste society, if you are thinking about financial situation, everywhere it is. And if only one area it is developing, means other area we will get some clashes. For example, unity, this subcaste, caste, upper caste and lower caste struggle may develop, or development, rich and poor, like that situation, it will increase here in India. Okay, we will continue in next video.